Hello, kids! Professor Esther Hester here with my lab partner, Jester. As you can see, I'm smashing an apple. Why? Because today we will learn about your digestion. That's a scientific term for how our bodies turn food like this into the things that our bodies need to be healthy. On the outside, digestion looks simple. Bite, chew, swallow, and food is on its way to my stomach. But on the inside, digestion is quite fascinating. Let's take a closer look using my latest invention, Professor Hester's awesome body scanner. Digestion takes hours, so I recorded myself eating dinner last night. If I play it back at high speed, you can see my digestive system in action. Jester, if you please. My teeth chew and crush the food into small pieces, which is mixed with the saliva in my mouth. When I swallow, the food moves down into the esophagus. That's this long tube, down to my stomach. My stomach mixes the food with special liquids called acids and enzymes, which turn the food into a kind of watery mush. This takes a while, which is why you feel full for some time after you eat, because the food is actually still there in your stomach. After the food leaves the stomach, it goes into a part of your body called the small intestine. You won't believe what happens there, but we'll save that for another time. That brings us back to what I was doing earlier, crushing food. For today's experiment, which I like to call Professor Hester's Tester, we are going to recreate part of the digestive process. I've got everything we need right here. Using a hammer, I carefully crush food into smaller pieces, just like my teeth do. I'll add a little water, which is like the saliva in my mouth. Ta-da! This all goes down my esophagus and into my sandwich bag. I mean my stomach. To make this even more like a real stomach, let's add more food. Bread. Crackers. Pasta. Woo, I love pasta. A real stomach adds those special liquids I talked about, acids and enzymes. For our sandwich bag stomach, we'll just add a little water and a little vinegar. The stomach squeezes the food, mixing it with the acids and enzymes, breaking solid food into a liquid mush. Squishing and squashing, crushing and mashing, mixing and mushing. You can try this at home. It might look gross, but it's fun. I'm a big believer in hands-on science. We turn this, which your body can't use, into this, which your body can use. That's what your digestive system does every time you eat. Isn't that amazing? Now, before we end, I'd like to leave you with a few fun facts about your digestive system. First, make a fist. That's about the size of your empty stomach. Smaller than you thought, I bet. And here's another fun fact. This pitcher holds 2 pints of water. Each day, your mouth creates from 1 to 3 pints of saliva. That may sound super gross, but you couldn't eat without it, which makes it super cool. I think Jester has learned enough about our digestive system. He wants to put his own digestive system to work. Don't you, boy? Here you go! Happy digestion! See you next time!